Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. We are going to share with you how you can make this super simple DIY drip-free detangling deep conditioner that has major slip, and you can do it at home. It contains 98 out of 102 earth elements. It helps to bring circulation to the scalp to stimulate hair growth, and it can form the base of all your wonderful DIYs. So stay tuned to see how we make this creamy goodness and enjoy. So firstly, you'll need to get a hand blender, and any hand blender will do, and use the hand blender and the jug attachment. So after you've gathered all your ingredients, you just begin to add them one by one to the hand blender jug attachment, and then you're going to proceed to blend them all together. You can add it in any order, it does not matter, it does not change anything. And of course the essential oils are optional. We like to use rosemary essential oil and peppermint essential oil, as these are great for boosting circulation to the scalp and they help with hair growth. After blending, as you can see, the consistency is quite liquidy, and this is where the Superfood hair powder comes in. And so before we add the Superfood hair powder, we're going to show you what the consistency is like. And as you can see, it's very liquidy, and this will not stay on the hair. It will drip, and you won't be able to wear your deep conditioner outside as you go out and about on the go. And so the solution to that is to add 1 tablespoon of the Superfood hair powder, as we will show you here. What this will do will thicken your DIY deep conditioning mix. It will add superfoods in there to nourish and strengthen and rebuild the hair, and at the same time it will increase circulation to the scalp to help with hair growth and other scalp issues. After blending for about a minute or two, as you can see, the remaining product is very thick and very creamy. This is so delicious, guys. When you wash it off your hair will be left feeling silky and slippery, and it just does all the good things of a store-bought deep conditioner, but without any of the chemicals. So as you can see, you've got a thick, lovely, nice, creamy product that you can apply in the hair that will not fall off, and you can use whenever you wash your hair, after you wash your hair. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative, and I hope you're encouraged to make your own DIY mixes. Please don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, to share this video. Let us know if you tried this out. If you'd like to purchase the Superfood hair powder, then do check the description box below. We have a link to our website where you can find all the details about it there. I hope you have a lovely day and that you really enjoyed this video. Take care till next time. Bye bye.